Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the sweetheart dress on Dress to Impress. So if you already have the dress, it's just going to be in the codes item, which is this one. And they also have this version as well, these versions. If you don't have it, you're just going to go to codes and then type in sweetheart and redeem. This is a very limited item as well. It's just going to be up until tomorrow at 12 p.m. So make sure you get it. Super cute. Again, there's also other items like this top and these jeans, which is so cute. But yeah, I hope that this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.